Thanks for watching the Passive Geek Show. This is a show about tech news that won't make your head explode. Facebook, well, you know what? They do everything, so it shouldn't come as a surprise that they're now offering a dating feature. Now, experts are saying they're coming for Tinder and OkCupid. Both are in the online dating space. Now, when Facebook announced a couple weeks ago they were going to start this dating app on Facebook, Match Group stock dropped like 17%. Match Group owns both Tinder and OkCupid. Will you give Facebook's dating feature a shot? Now, if I were dating, I would not really use a service that I didn't have to pay for, because paying for it means it's going to eliminate a lot of the riffraff. Not all of it, but a lot of it. But here's a question. Do you consider dating sites and apps as being desperate? That used to be the stigma. Please leave a comment down below. The NFL and Amazon have a deal to stream Thursday night football games on Amazon Prime for the next 2 seasons. Now, reports have Amazon paying the NFL about $65 million per season. Now, Amazon Prime customers get access to streaming video, music, ebooks, the NFL, free shipping, and a whole lot more for $99 a year. But hold on, Toncho. Amazon recently announced the price for Amazon Prime is going up to $119 a year, and that took effect a couple of days ago for new signups. Facebook has been unfairly seen as a poster child for using some, or some say misusing, users' information. Now, they are by far not the only ones. Google gathers info. Why do you think they can tell you when a restaurant you're searching for is just 3 miles from where you're standing? And a lot of other apps do the same thing. They access your info. How do you know who's got what? It's tough to get that info. Really tough to get it from Facebook, but I'll link you to steps in the show notes down below how to get it from Google. Apple has a new worldwide battery replacement program for some 13-inch MacBook Pro models that don't have a touch bar. Eligible MacBook Pros were manufactured between October 2016 and October 2017. Now, Apple says that a limited number of these MacBook Pros have a component that can fail and cause the built-in battery to expand. Now, I'm no expert, but an expanding battery is a couple of steps away to an exploding battery in my eyes. Apple says it's not a safety issue, though, but they will replace the batteries. Now, how do you check? Well, there's a page on Apple's website where you insert your serial number to find out if it's eligible, and I'll have that link for you in the show notes down below. Twitter wants you to change your password, and if you use the same password for something else, you need to change that too, and quit doing that. I told you before, you got to have different passwords for everything. It's inconvenient as hell, but it's the best thing to do. Twitter says for the past few months, all of its users' passwords have become unmasked. That means if Twitter's servers were accessed during this time, all of its users' passwords could be seen in plain text. Twitter says it found no evidence of a recent data breach, but really though, stop using the same password for lots of the same things. You do that, you're asking for trouble. Hey, that's all I got. Now, if it held your attention, give me a like, a share, and a subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ring the bell to get notified when new videos go up, too. Now, if you want to step up the love and seriously support my channel, think about being a patron of mine for just 99 cents a month on Patreon.com. Details are down below. And thank you. Thanks for watching The Passive Geek Show. It's tech news that's not techie. I'm Tony Scott.